The websites we build teaching and learning content for, such as learning management systems, WordPress blogs, and other web-based tools, are all designed in a way that the content that you create goes into hidden HTML containers. This helps the website stay organized and structured. Let's look at a hidden feature of most web browsers to see these hidden containers so you can figure out some appropriate sizes for your artboards. Now, if you want to follow along, then open up your Chrome web browser and let's go to the HTML for Educators course page here on LinkedIn Learning as an example. Any of the movie pages will do. Then go up to the View menu, select Developer, and then choose Developer Tools. Now, if this is the first time that you're opening your tools, they'll more than likely open up on the right-hand side of your browser. Just look for the three-dot menu, click on that, and then choose Dockside Bottom. Then click on the Select an Element to Inspect icon here on the left of the toolbar. It looks like a mouse cursor pointing into a box. Now, without clicking on anything, just move your mouse around the browser window to highlight various regions and objects on the page. Now, what this tool is doing is identifying the underlying components of the containers within the page so you can get additional information about them. Now, what we're really interested in are these numbers up here in the label. Now, that's showing us the current pixel width and height for this particular element or its container. So this video on the page that I'm looking at is currently 1128 pixels wide and roughly 429 pixels high. Now, if this was an existing image on one of your LMS course pages, then you would know the size of that image on the page just by hovering over top of the specific image. Scroll down on the page and you can see the sidebar is roughly 336 pixels wide. And this particular element is about 56 pixels high. So if your page has a sidebar, now you know that on a desktop browser, the sidebar is roughly this big. Now, if you click this second tool on the toolbar, which toggles the device view, and now move back over one of these elements, you can now get a sense of the rough dimensions of this element when viewed on a mobile screen. Now, keep in mind that all of these sizes are really only meant to be used as a rough guide to give you an idea of the approximate sizes that you may need for your particular assets. Now, every time you resize your browser or look at this page on a different size screen, these dimensions are going to change, but this should give you a basic starting point to come up with artboard sizes that will generally meet your needs.